Recruitment now the personal interview will be held very soon. I think within maybe 3-4 days.
Usimbut menteri rangba kajala ubade pedru ya katanat pulit uba Prestone Tynsong hakakat atare uyayong ulaong babaro ki kambalat hakatanat pulit on Pyndap no Hapoh uni Snem. Habakran chikla pathai kubor hakani kasngi hashalong uba Tynsong ulaya thu ba menta dang pelong hadu shihajatam ki personal interview.
See, right now about 1,000 plus personal review is being called, and then immediately after that, after the personal review is completed, the process is completed, we are going again to advertise for another maybe 1,500 manpower, which is required in the police department alone.
Ulaong ru
I'm sure this process also will start very soon. We'll make sure that the vacancies that we have, the shortage that we have, will fill it up within this year itself.